Hola, la señora Vaz with the instructions for today. The first thing you're going to do, your actividad inicial is in this photo. You open the photo, go here. There are two questions. Reply, answering the two questions. Pretty simple. You already handled that kind of stuff. Today, you're going to take a quiz, and the vocabulary that you have been practicing with is classroom items, calendar, and dates. Before you start the quiz, please be sure that you completed the practice from last class with an acceptable score. And an acceptable score for Mrs. Bass is like 80% plus. So please be sure that you did it. If you did not, just go back and edit your answers, see what's wrong, ask me questions, and I'll try to help you. But remember that you are allowed to edit your practices, but not the quizzes and tests. So once you start your quiz and whatever you get in your quiz, that's your grade. But you can work with your practice, okay? So here is the quiz form. This is how it looks like. There it is. As usual, you're going to put your last name. I'm giving you 5 points for that. Your class, I'm giving you 5 points for that. And then I put this picture here. It says type the letter of the picture that best matches each word. Use capitals and no spaces. So you look for this word. Where is it represented? You find what the letter is. And then you just put it here and you answer. You have 10 questions. All right. For B, it says match the day of the week with the Spanish counterpart. So you're just going to find how you say that one, and you have the options right here. All right, for part C. For part C, it says write the English equivalent of the following dates. The English equivalent of the following dates. Use the format month, day. Remember, in Spanish is different than in English, but you're gonna give me the English. So what date is it? Is this? You're going to type it here in the way you do it in English. In Spanish, you do the day first and the month last. In English, you do the month first and the day last. So I gave you the example here. So pay attention and give me these dates. That's it. And that's all. That's all you had to do for your quiz today. And if you have any questions, I'll try to stay at the computer in case that you have any questions. But you had today to complete that. It will be on time if it's done today. I'll see you later. Hasta pronto.